Question number 5. Question number 5. Today I am going to work out question number 5. Following are the balance sheet of A, B and C are the equal partner as on 31st March 2015. Bills payable, creditor, capital is given, ABC, cash, debtor, stock, building is given. They agreed to take D into partnership on 1/4/2015. Give him 1/4 share. 1/4 share is given. Fourth share means 1/4 share. 1/4 share. 1/4 share. Share is given. Following are the terms. The D should bring 24,000 as capital and 36,000 towards capital. 24,000 goodwill ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ 36,000 capital is brought. One half of the goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. The stock and furniture is depreciated by 10%. Provision for debtor 5% created on debtor doubtful. Building is valued at 60,000. The liability for 2,760 is created. The assets and liabilities of other than cash is not altered. In the last class I told you I worked out one problem in relation to this. What this particular problem talks? Assets and liabilities ಯಾವುದು change ಆಗುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ other than cash and capital. If he is given that particular adjustment, you are supposed to calculate first new profit sharing ratio. This is the question number 5. Question number 5. Calculation of new ratio. Now, old ratio. In this particular problem, I have clearly mentioned the old ratio is here. A, B, C are equal partner. That means 1:1. Newly one partner is got admitted. D admitted for fourth share. That means D share is 1/4. 1/4. Now, ಹೊಸಬ ಬಂದ 1/4 share ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now, remaining share of old partner that is equal to 1/4 ಇವನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ಇಡೀ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ ಇವಂದು ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3/4. ಹೇಗೆ 4 - 1 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4ರಿಂದ 1 ಮನೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಅವನು ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಉಳಿಯಿತು 3/4. Now new ratio equal to A, B, C, 4 partner here, A, B, C, D. 3/4 is same. 3/4 is same. 3/4. They are equal partner. Equal means what? 1:1:1. Equal partner. 1:1:1. That means 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. That should be 3 ones are 3. 3 12. 3 ones are 3 is 12. 3 ones are 3 is 12. So denominator should be same for this one also. So what should we do? 3 + 3 is 9. Minus 12 is how much? 3. So here also new ratio also 3:3. That means equal. Now we are supposed to go for necessary ledger account. After new ratio is over, now we are supposed to close the books of accounts. While closing the books of accounts, we are supposed to keep in your mind assets and liabilities of the firm cannot be altered other than cash and capital. In such a case, you are supposed to prepare memorandum of revaluation account. Second one is capital partners capital account. Partners capital account. There are 4 partners. Partners capital account. Partners capital account A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. These are the partner and the balance sheet here. Liability side and asset side rupees. Now we are supposed to do one by one. From the cash asset side. Cash. Total cash here is 2,400. 2,400. But one new partner got admitted and he brought capital as how much? 36,000. Add capital. He brought capital as 36,000. Total should be 38,400. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 38,400. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. Again, half of the goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner. ಇಲ್ಲಿ goodwill ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 24,000. They brought goodwill how much? 24,000 and 36,000 capital. 24,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ half is withdrawn. Withdrawn in the form of what? Cash. Withdrawn in the form of withdraw ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಬೇಕು. goodwill ಅನ್ನು withdraw ಮಾಡಿದೆ. withdraw in the form of what? Cash. So less goodwill withdrawn, half of goodwill. Half of the goodwill is 24,000 into half, that is 12,000. Now total cash now here is 26,400. But in this particular case cash can be changed, but the rest of asset cannot be changed. Everything should be same. But you should show the adjustment. Debtors. Next one is debtors. Inner column write down 21,600. But there is an adjustment in this particular problem. Stock and furniture. 5% provision on debtor. Less RBD. 5% on this. 5% on 21,600. 1,080. Listen. 1,080. Now listen. 1,080 we are going to get. But outer column you are supposed to write 21,600 only. You should not minus. Cannot be changed. But this RBD is a loss. That should be entered here to RBD. 1,080. Thereafter stock. Inner column is supposed to keep 22,800. But what the adjustment talks here is stock and furniture should be depreciated. Less depreciation. 10%. That means 2,280. 2,280. But outer column we should write same 22,800 only. 10% may. But this is a loss. Loss should be entered here to stock. 2,280. Are you understanding the concept? Now next one is in it book value ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Next one is furniture. Inner column is supposed to write 4,800. Less depreciation is mentioned 10%, that is 480. But outer column 4,800 only is supposed to write. But this 480 is lost to furniture. 480. Thereafter buildings. Building. Supposed to keep it in inner column as 39,000. Building as 39,000. But what the adjustment talks here is building is to be valued at 60,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? 60. ಆವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 39. 60 ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ 21,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 21,000 but outer column is supposed to write 39 only. Are you catching how I got 21,000? Is now 60. ಹಳೆಯದು 39 ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು 39. But because why we are preparing memorandum of realization, value of asset is increased ಅಂದ್ರೆ that will become a profit by buildings. 21,000. Thereafter, coming to the liability side, bills payable, there is no adjustment as it is. Bills payable should be 6,000. Thereafter, creditors, there is no adjustment. Directly out of the column, 12,000. Thereafter, capital which is given, capital should go to capital account by balance brought down. 32,000, 24,000 and 16,000. Now everything is over except some adjustment. I will read now. Balance sheet is over. Following are the balance sheet. D got admitted. D should bring 24,000 as goodwill and 36,000 as capital. Capital brought in the form of what? Cash. So by cash, capital brought. How much he brought capital? 36,000. Not only he brought the capital, but also he brought the goodwill. Goodwill brought by whom? D. D tandadu. D is capital. D is capital. How much goodwill he brought? 24,000. ಅವನು goodwill ತಂದರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು? Old partner. Total how much goodwill he brought? 24,000. They are equal partner. Equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ old partner? 3 ಜನ. Divided by 3 should be
8,000.
That should be 8,000 as goodwill. Now here 8,000 we have written D's capital ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. D's capital ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು A's capital to B's capital to C's capital. ಯಾರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು? 8,000 D ಕೊಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? If you write this side, you are supposed to write this side also. This side also. Now, one more adjustment is given. Half of the goodwill withdrawn. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn. Withdrawn in the form of what? Cash. ಆವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ to cash ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. To cash. ಇದು half. Half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4,000 and 4,000 and nil. Last column is nil. ಇದು withdrawn ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ adjustment ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Fully withdrawn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ fully. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 24,000 ಫುಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ half ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That's all. Thereafter, we should supposed to see whether the adjustment is over. The half of the goodwill withdrawn, furniture depreciated, provision ಆಯ್ತು, building ಆಯ್ತು. That the liability of 2,760 created, outstanding liability which got created. Liability created ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು? Liability side. Liability created. ಎಷ್ಟು? 2,760. Outstanding liability. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಹೊಸದನ್ನು ಹಾಕುವಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್. ದಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್. ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು, ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಟು ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ 2,760. ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Everything is over. Here we are preparing a memorandum of realization because why means he's mentioned in the problem assets and liabilities should not be changed. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ memorandum of realization, otherwise that will become a revaluation account. Everything is over. Make the account tally now. This is 21,000. 21 minus this is to you will get 14,400. 14,400. Now this should be divided to old part. Profit transfer to partners capital account. A, B, C. Old partner. Divide, that is equal. Equal means divided by 3. So that will be 4,800 each. 4,800, 4,800, 4,000. That should be get transferred here by memorandum of revaluation account. 4,800, 4,800, 4,800 and nil. Now, if there is a memorandum of revaluation, it will come to end now. This will be transferred to this side. This should be transferred to this side. So, two building here. Building 21,000. Buy side by RBD 1080, by stock 2,280, by furniture 480, by outstanding liability 2,760. Now make the account tally. Total should be same 21,000. Total should be 21,000. Difference should be 14,400. But this should be transferred to all the partner. All the partner in the new ratio A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. So 14,400 divided by 4 equals 3,600 each. 3,600, 3,600, 3,600, 3,600. This should be get transferred here to memorandum of revaluation account. 3,600, 3,600, 3,600, 3,600. Due to the total of the balance sheet, balance sheet figure you can get balance carried down. Balance carried down you can get here. That should be get entered in the balance sheet as capital here. A, B, C and D. Do the balance sheet should get match each other.